Having trouble deciding which streaming device to choose for your home? In this video, we are going to break down the top 6 best streaming devices in 2020 by picture quality, features, connectivity, setup, and of course, best value. For the record, these reviews are based on our personal findings and general user experiences. For prices and links to the products, check out the information in the description box below. Products in this review will be listed in descending order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end to hear our top pick. And if you like this video, let us know by giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Even if you disagree with our ratings, we want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more best choice reviews of this year's top products. Let's get started. We're going to start off at number 6 with the Google Chromecast Ultra. The biggest difference between the regular Chromecast and the Ultra is that the Ultra has HDR10 and Dolby Vision HDR. When it comes to connecting, the Chromecast Ultra supports the latest Wi-Fi standard, but has no HDMI or Ethernet port. Setup for this device is pretty easy though. You just plug it into your TV and stream from the Google Home app on your tablet or phone. Like all Google products, it can also be connected to your Google Assistant for voice control. It's important to note that since the Chromecast is for streaming only and has no applications, it does not come with any remote control option. Moving on to number 5, we have the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. This latest version is up to 25% faster than previous generations and is considered one of the best on the market when it comes to picture and surround sound quality. The updated remote comes equipped with voice control and Bluetooth, as well as a built-in locator, so you don't have to worry about losing your remote anymore. For first-time setup, you can connect to either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Entertainment available includes access to thousands of apps like Netflix, Prime, Hulu, you name it. And when it comes to voice control, the NVIDIA is compatible with both Google Home and Alexa. The major downside though is that despite its updated features, this device is significantly more expensive than some of its competitors, and therefore we don't consider it a best value compared to others. The Apple TV 4K is best known for its stunning picture quality. The entire device essentially functions like an iPad. You can play games in addition to watching videos from a variety of apps. The remote has recently been updated, making it easier to operate in the dark. However, it's important to note that the remote touchpad can be tricky to get the hang of, and it's been frustrating for some users. In terms of other downsides, there is certain content on Apple TV, like YouTube for instance, that is unavailable in 4K HDR. You should be expecting to get as much bang for your buck as possible with Apple TV, since it is one of the more expensive streaming devices in the market, but unfortunately this flaw in HDR compatibility kind of makes that difficult. At number 3, we have the Roku Premiere Plus. Unlike some of its competitors, this device features all content in 4K HDR. The players themselves are tiny, even smaller than the remote, and can be easily installed by plugging it into the HDMI port of your TV. However, this is one of the few models that does require you to first register the product online prior to setting it up. Despite there being no Ethernet connection, a strong Wi-Fi signal will let you stream just about anything, from Netflix to Roku's featured free content. Many apps like Showtime and Starz even come with a 30-day free trial. Roku's voice capabilities aren't up to par with some of its competitors, but its features, picture quality, and ease of access make it a great value. The newest Amazon Fire TV Stick is a powerful device that comes equipped with the latest in HD picture quality. The Fire Stick also contains more storage for apps and games than any other streaming media stick on the market. Connecting to Alexa on Fire TV provides you with a comprehensive voice experience. And the accompanying Alexa remote even has power, volume, and mute buttons, so you limit your need for multiple remotes. This device is generally easy to set up because you do it via an on-screen setup guide. Plus, if you have an Amazon Prime account, you'll be automatically logged in and have access to all your Amazon content right away. A downside with the Fire Stick is the device's lack of Ethernet port. Since the quality of your picture is going to largely depend on the quality of your Wi-Fi signal, this could present problems if your TV is set up far from your router. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus takes our #1 spot for being the best value on the market. With 4K and HDR capabilities, not to mention a huge arsenal of media apps that include Apple TV, this tiny device has everything you could want at an affordable price. The long-range wireless receiver gives you a stronger signal with up to 4 times the range so that you have smooth streaming in rooms far from the router. Yep, even in the basement. Whether you are streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR, the superior picture quality is perfectly optimized for your TV. You can control your experience with one user-friendly remote, or use your voice control to change channels, turn on captions, and activate countless other features. The remote is pretty simple, but if you want, it is possible to download an iOS, Android, Windows, or Fire OS app that lets you use a phone or tablet to control the player. Do you agree with our list? Let us know by posting your own recommendations, comments, and questions below. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Best Choice reviews. Thanks for watching.